You're watching Let's Chat.
We're glad to have you here on this Tuesday morning. We're going to spend a few minutes talking about what not to do if you're involved in a car crash, as well as some of the things that are pretty obvious that maybe you should do. Mark Warren is here from Warren and Griffin. We're going to talk a little bit about this, a little bit about what we're going to be doing Thursday. First things first. Mark Warren, good to see you.
Ain't it good to be alive and be in Tennessee, Chip?
It is for a fact.
It's gorgeous outside. What? I got my orange shoes on.
I know you do.
At my orange shoes,
You're missing. You're missing your partner here.
Oh, John Mark, my better half.
John Mark.
My better half is driving back from New Orleans right now.
All right.
Yeah, you saw the Saints game last night.
Well, good for him.
The Saints got beat last night. The Saints got beat by the same score that Tennessee got beat.
Did they really?
Weird? Yes. So what's going on here with this 27-13 thing?
He needs to be noticing a trend here.
The trend, yes,
anyway,
he does.
We'll give him a little bit of grief about that on Thursday.
Yes.
All right, car crashes, you hear about them every day.
Right.
You probably see something or some evidence of a car crash on your way to work or on your way home. We're going to talk about what to do here in a moment. First of all, give us a few things we should not do.
Well, John Mark and I have been doing this for going on 35 years now, so it's been a long time seeing what things people should not be doing after a car crash. And number one, there's no need to give a statement to the other driver's insurance company. Okay?
Okay.
The only reason the other driver's insurance company will call you up and ask for a statement is that they feel that you somehow caused the wreck. Regardless of what the police report says, if the other driver's insurance company calls up and wants to take a recorded statement, just say, no, thank you. I defer to the accident report. You know, the accident report is a report made up by the police officer who investigated the accident.
Right.
That is really all the other driver's insurance company needs is the accident report, not a statement.
What if they dangle that bait in front of you, but Mr. So-and-so, if you give us a statement, your settlement would probably come early.
That's a nice move there, Chip. That's a nice move. No, don't go for that bait. No matter what they say. Just respectfully say, no, I defer to the results of the accident report.
All right. What is something else that we should not do if we're involved in a wreck, no matter how major or how minor?
I've been doing this for 35 years, but something new is something called social media.
Right.
You should not post on social media about your accident. That is going to, if a lawsuit is filed, the other driver's insurance company's attorney is going to be able to access your social media pages.
Right.
And so, for example, there's no need to post on social media pictures of the accident scene while you're there. Number one, you should probably be checking on the other driver instead of taking pictures of the accident scene. You know, with social media, we feel like that we have to document and post everything. If you document and post the accident and the car crash and your injuries on social media, the insurance company is going to get their hands on that and find some way to use it against you. For example, if you post, and this is what I would do too if I was the defense lawyer, and you're posting immediately after the accident, you're out of the car, walking around where you can't be hurt, and you're busy taking pictures of the accident scene because you feel compelled to share with the world what just happened to you. Well, no, you know, if I was a defense attorney, I'd say, why weren't you checking on the other driver instead of going to social media?
Oh, but I already did. They said they were okay.
Yeah, and then after the accident, if you're claiming injuries, don't post on social media that you're doing gymnastics down at a birthday party.
Right.
Okay? I mean, so just be smart about what you post on social media after an accident. Understand that anything that you post on social media, the insurance company is going to get their hands on and use against you to devalue your case.
Well, sounds like some very smart advice. And also, probably on this list, don't delay getting medical treatment for yourself if you think it's needed.
Absolutely. That's the biggest, that's also a big mistake. If you feel like you're hurt, even a headache or a neck ache, or you feel like you're not sleeping right, you know, just get checked out by your primary care physician.
Right. And you will be grateful that you did.
Yes,
in that
sir.
situation.
Yes, sir. Sure.
That's something you certainly want to do, is take care of yourself first. All right, coming up this Thursday.
It's Thursday.
It's our final drive-through.
It's our last solid T-shirt drive-through.
What if they make the playoffs?
That's it. We're going to talk about that. What if?
We'll negotiate
when they make the
another
playoffs?
one.
I mean, we're in the Final Four, right? We win out. We make the playoffs,
there's no
Chip.
doubt.
I mean, and it's going to be, I think we make the playoffs. We make it a point to go to every food city every day of the week, to give out T-shirts.
I'm all about it.
I'm for that also.
I'm all about it. We're going to do it this Thursday, starting before noon, right down here at the Food City in St. Elmo on Tennessee Avenue.
Can't wait.
Mark will tell you, he'd even testify in court.
Yes.
Cars line up there way in advance of 12 o'clock.
They get there early, and some actually are wearing their solid orange T-shirt to get another solid orange T-shirt.
Yeah,
they're
pretty
awesome.
cool. Pretty cool. And like we did a couple of weeks ago, we'll probably have a few extra things to give away.
The Hope was romantic giveaway. Chip was giving away roses, orange roses the last time.
We might do that again.
Man,
It's going to be this Thursday, 12 noon. Both C. Mark and John Mark will be there. If you want more information about what to do or not to do in a car wreck, go to the website, warrenandgriffin.com. Stick around. We're back with more of Let's Chat right after this.